Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Rayyan, where we turn complex coding into creative magic. In today's quick but powerful video, we are diving into question number 3, license key formatting, a common string manipulation problem that shows up in interviews and coding challenges. We'll break down the problem, walk through the logic step by step, and write clean, optimized code to solve it efficiently. Whether you are preparing for interviews or leveling up your coding skills, this one's must watch. So grab your favorite code editor and let's format some license keys like a pro, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon to never miss out on awesome content. So let's go. Guys, let's start our question number 3 by the name of license key formatting. So let's start. Now, you are given a license key. We want to represent it as a string S. Okay, means it has been given me a one license key represented, and we want to represent it as a string S that consists of only alphanumeric characters and dashes. The string is separated into n plus 1 groups by n dashes, and you are also given an integer k, means it has been also be given me a one integer k. We want to reformat the string S such that each group contains exactly k characters. We accept the first group, which could be shorter than k but still must contain at least one character. Furthermore, there must be a dash inserted between two groups, and you should convert all lowercase letters to uppercase, means all lowercase means all small letters into the uppercase. Now our task is we want to return the reformatted license key. So this one case one in which he created one as integer string array, string you can say, as string in which he write it 5f3z minus 2e minus 9 minus w, then here he created a integer by the name of k in which he wrote it down 4, and the output will be coming 5f3z minus 2e 9w. Why? Because the string s has been split into two parts. Each part has 4 characters. Note that 2 extra dashes are not needed, and it can be removed. So example 2, if you see example 2, here he created one string s in which he write 2 minus 5g minus 3 minus j, and then he created one integer by the name of k in which he write it down 2, and the output will be coming 2 minus 5g minus 3jy, because the string s has been split into 3 parts. Each part has 2 characters except the first part, as it could be shorter and mentioned above. So these are the constraints which we use in today's video to solve it. Okay. Now string S consists of English letters, digits and dashes. If you see here in this S string, we are using digits, dashes and alphabets. So you can see it. So now let's start to solve this question, but let's understand question one more time. You are given a license key and we want to represent it as a string S that consists of only alphanumeric characters and dashes. The string is separated into n plus 1 groups by n dashes, and it has been also given me an integer k. We want to reformat the string S such that each group contains exactly k characters except for the first group, which could be shorter than k but still must contain at least one character. Furthermore, there must be a dash inserted between two groups, and we want to still convert all the lowercase, means all the small letters, into the big letters, means into the uppercase letters, and we want to return the reformatted license key. So let's start to solve it. And this question number, let me show you. In today's video we are solving our question number 482 by the name of license key formatting. So let's start to solve it. Now let's start to solve. So first of all, let me zoom it now. First of all, we are solving it in the Python 3, and first of all we define a class of a solution. Like all the people know, this is a rule of a LeetCode camp. Whenever we start to solve any video, start to solve any question on the LeetCode camp, we define a class of a solution. Def license key formatting self comma s and then semicolon str means string comma k int minus greater than str means string n equals to length s means in the n variable I am finding the length of our s string cnt equals to n minus s dot count then minus then module sign k or k ans equals to for loop I comma c in enumerate and then here I define our s string if c equals to minus. Now define a continue enter back please unzoom then ans dot sorry here define semicolon. Now define here give the space. Now define here ans dot append. Append means we are merging two things together. So c dot upper mean in c variable there are all the letters will be in uppercase, then all the letters will become in the uppercase. C and t minus equals to 1. If statement c and t equals to 0 semicolon enter. Then c and t equals to k if I n minus 1 enter ans dot append minus back 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 back. Now define here output return dot join ans dot r strip minus. Perfect. Now we define our output also, so let's see the running code of it. So first of all let me okay sorry. Now let's see the running code of it. So first of all when I run this code, so I hope it not give me any error. So now so it is accepted. Now let's see, I think it is glitch. Okay, now it has been giving me error in line 6. There is an line 6 syntax error expected. Okay, which type of syntax error has been expected? Okay, right here this now run. Okay, now it has been giving me error in many lines, like in line 15 it has been giving me error. Okay, return double comma dot join and dot r strip. Okay, here we define one more double comma because I did not end the double comma. So now let's run it now. So now it has been giving me error in line 6. So let's define here. Now let's run it. Now okay, semicolon here we write now. Let's run it. Run. Now here you can see it. Now all the error have been gone, but it is giving me error. Our output has been coming, not our output has been coming same. Okay, in this line here we did not define dash, so that's why it has been giving me error. So now let's define dash. Now run it. So now when I run it, so now it has been accepted. Our case 1, our expected output has been this, and my also output coming out this. At case 2, expected output is this, and my also output has been coming this. So let's see the submission code. So when I submit this code, the submission code is also be accepted. So here you can see in today's brief we solve our question number 482 by the name of license key formatting. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you never see these type of videos on the channel. So now Anyways, let's meet you in the next class, and next very amazing class like that type of video. So for today, goodbye.